Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about low sperm count in male. So you can see this is my left palm and then this is my middle finger and this is the ring finger. So between both the fingers here is the actual location or the point to be addressed. So as usual I'll take my acupressure tool here like this and I'm going to start doing the massage like this, the push up like this at least for 5 minutes. If you don't have tool also, no need to worry. You can just take a normal pen or pencil like this and with the back part you just start doing a pressure like this. Okay, or even with your right hand finger, the thumb, you can do it like this. So after doing this massaging for 5 minutes, we are going to take this 3M Transpo plaster which I got it from a medical store, and then we need the people leaves. You can see these are the fresh people leaves which I have got it from the tree. So we need these two. So I'm just going to take one leaf, a fresh one from here like this. Okay, and then I'm just going to take a part from here like this. So this is the piece which we need to plaster it, and then I'm going to remove one layer of this plaster from here. You can see this is the plaster and then this is the leaf part. This is the greener one, right? The front part, and this is the back part. So back part I will just stick on the plaster like this. You can see. So this is done, and then this is the front side which we are going to plaster it on the portion like this. So this is how you need to plaster. So the front part has gone down. Okay, so this we need to keep it for 4 hours every day with utmost faith, at least for 30 days, that is 1 month of minimum, and then maximum of 90 days. So without getting wet into any substance, keep it for 4 hours every day. So happy plastering, get well soon, bye.